In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add follow line in TradingView Pro. Before we jump in, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame will work for this. So just pull up the chart you normally use and we'll walk through the process together step by step. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the time frames and drawing tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where you can search for, manage, and apply all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside this panel, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly on that search box so you can start typing. Taking the time to use the search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through a long list of built-in and community indicators. Now, in that search box, type follow line. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see indicators that match what you typed. Take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the correct follow line indicator you want to use, especially if there are multiple community versions with similar names. When you see the follow line you're looking for, simply click on it. As soon as you do, TradingView will add it to your current chart. You'll notice the follow line appear directly on your chart, updating as price moves. From here, you can customize it if you like. To do that, hover over the indicator's name on your chart or in the indicator list, then click on the settings icon. That will open a window where you can adjust colors, line styles, or any other available options. Don't be afraid to experiment a little. You can always reset the settings or remove the indicator if you want to start over. If you aren't on TradingView Pro yet, or you're using the free version and want to unlock more indicators and features, be sure to use my affiliate link in the description. It's an easy way to upgrade to Pro while supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to open the indicators menu, use the search box, find follow line, and apply it to your chart in TradingView Pro.